Welcome to Foxify's Build for Success series by Foxecom. Today, we will show you how to create a powerful product page for your electronics store using Foxify, taking inspiration from the amazing product page of the DS18 amplifier. So, whether you're selling high-end audio equipment, sleek smartphones, or anything in between, this video will equip you with the knowledge to craft a product page that converts. Let's get started. Create a page template. Give it a name and select the page layout. Now, it's time to customize our page. The first section is for showcasing the product images and details. Here, we'll be adding the product details element. Use the Design tab to set the spacing of your elements as you like. You can use the Layers panel to locate elements on your page. We will continue with styling our product title. Select the text font and other properties. We're using a system font for the title here. Since this font will be used for other parts of the page, we will set the font as favorite. Do the same with the product price. For the next part of the section, we'll be using Stack Element to stack a text element and an icon element horizontally. Adjust the gap between elements included in the stack, and style the element's sizing. Select an icon from the system and change its color. You can also upload your own icon in Foxify. The next part of the product details showcases the product description, so we will add the description element of the single product to the section. If you're not sure how to add description to your Shopify products, check out our video for it. Once our description is added, we'll style our element using the Design tab. After that, we'll be customizing our variant picker element. There are two picker types to choose from, buttons or drop-downs. On our product page today, we use the picker type as buttons. In the element's design settings, you will see the option to customize the element container and the option labels. To make our element more aligned with the brand we take inspiration today, we'll add some custom tweaks to the page using custom CSS. All the custom code used in the video today can be found in the video description below. Next, we'll be replicating this combination of the quantity input and buttons. We will stack two nested stacks horizontally. The first stack includes the quantity input and a button. And the other stack includes an Add to Cart button and Shopify's dynamic checkout buttons. We will also utilize the stack element for the next part of the product details. Stack is a powerful feature that ensures the elements stay in order, with the spacing you define, and never overlap. Let's customize our stack to create a visually appealing table of contact methods for your product page. To replicate the first row, we'll stack an image alongside two text elements arranged vertically. Feel free to experiment with different element sizes and spacing to achieve the desired layout and aesthetic. This hands-on approach will help you become more familiar with the platform's capabilities and find the perfect design for your product page. The second row will be similar. Move on to the 4-column grid we added earlier. We will add an image and a text element that stack vertically in each cell. The next section shows frequently bought together products to suggest complementary product bundles to the customers. This feature can significantly increase the average order value. We'll need to use a third-party app to implement this functionality. Let's start by customizing the section header. The website we're referencing today uses a 2-color heading for a standout effect. To achieve this, we'll stack 2 heading elements horizontally, with the first one in red and the second one in black. Now that we have our desired heading, it's time to add the apps widget for product bundling. You can choose any suitable app. In this example, we'll use FoxKit, a comprehensive upsell and cross-sell app that's already integrated with Foxify. Below the frequently bought together section, we'll create a featured promotion section that showcases high-quality images and compelling copy. Since this section and others below share the same heading style as the frequently bought together section, we can quickly duplicate the heading element we customized earlier and reuse it for these subsequent sections. To highlight the key features of each featured product, we'll use a grid element with 5 columns. Each column will contain an image and a text element, which are vertically stacked together. Remember that duplicating elements is a time-saving technique that can help you avoid repetitive work. For a quick way to duplicate a section, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D.
A theme is like the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly introduce you Zest, the one and only theme for mobile commerce success. A solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility. Create an immersive experience in product discovery. Showcase your products in style in a breeze. Boost your marketing efforts with Zest's built-in tools, empowering you to engage with your audience and drive sales. And especially, built with the success of mobile commerce in mind. It's time to create an incredible shopping experience with minimal setup time and ensure a hassle-free experience for your customers. Ready to take your mobile commerce game to the next level? Join the revolution with Zest.
Let's continue building our product page. The next section we'll focus on is the product specifications. After setting up the section container and the stack, we'll add a button element to the section header that links to the user manual download page. Let's add an icon to our button. By default, the color of the icon is black. To ensure the icon matches your brand's style, you can customize its color using custom CSS. For example, you could apply a custom CSS rule to change the icon's color to red. Alternatively, you can stack two elements, an icon and a button, allowing you to set the color of each element independently. For the technical data, we'll use a grid layout with text elements stacked vertically in each cell. Since the cells share a similar presentation style, we can duplicate the first customized cell and simply change the copy to save time. To handle the lengthy specifications, we'll implement a read more/show less button, similar to the website we're inspired by. We'll add a button element to the section and customize its behavior using custom code. You can find the specific code snippet in the video description below. Let's create the next section to showcase the product overview. We'll follow the same approach we used for previous sections, starting with the section container and header. Then, we'll stack an image and a nested stack for the content horizontally. After the product overview section, we'll add a section to showcase related products for cross-selling. We'll use the element Related Products, which displays a list of related products generated automatically or manually using the Shopify Search Discovery app. This feature can help customers discover new products and increase sales. Please note that the products shown in the editor are for preview purposes only. We're almost finished with our page. The second to last section features a full-width image. Simply use the image element for this section. You can also link your image to a desired page by selecting a Shopify page or insert a page URL. To create different versions for desktop and mobile, we'll use the visibility setting to control which elements appear or hide on specific devices. Now that you understand how stacks and grids work, let's apply these concepts to the final section. We'll use a stack for the section header and a grid of images. Feel free to experiment with different image arrangements to suit your storefront's design. Customer reviews can significantly boost trust and brand credibility. To easily add a review widget to your product page, you can use the app extension provided by your review app, if it's integrated with Foxify, or simply embed the app's code snippets. Now our page on desktop view is ready. Remember, your design only applies to the breakpoint you're working on. You should tailor the page to each breakpoint to ensure the composition of your elements is flawless. With Foxify, you can create stunning and effective product pages for your electronics brand. Remember, prioritize high-quality visuals, clear descriptions, and strong CTAs to drive sales. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce content.